In this video, you'll learn how to leverage Log360, the unified SIM solution from ManageEngine, to detect multiple file permission changes. File permissions define the level of access granted to users and groups for a specific file or directory within a system. These permissions determine who can read, write, or execute a file and are essential for maintaining the security and integrity of data stored on a system, so it's crucial for security analysts to monitor them. Multiple file permission changes can indicate potential security threats such as an attacker attempting to gain access to sensitive resources or a malware altering permissions as a precursor to file encryption during a ransomware attack. Multiple file permission changes could also be a sign of insider threats, where a malicious employee attempts to change permissions of sensitive files involving customer details or critical business information and exfiltrate that data. Overly broad or misconfigured permissions can expose critical files, increasing the risk of data loss. Moreover, regulatory mandates such as GDPR and HIPAA require strict control over access to sensitive data. Monitoring file permission changes can help organizations comply with such mandates. Now let's see how attackers execute this attack. Threat actors may begin by carrying out phishing or other social engineering attacks to gain initial entry into the victim system. They may then use tools or scripts to scan for files with weak or overly permissive access controls. Attackers then exploit this misconfiguration to elevate their privileges. They may then alter permissions to gain wider access to alert the execution of malicious files. Attackers finally execute their goals, such as ransomware deployment, data exfiltration, or business disruption. Now let's see how a unified SIM solution like Log360 can help in a situation like this. Log360 comes with predefined correlation rules to detect multiple file permission changes. Correlation is the process of identifying a sequence of events across one or more devices which are all related and form a single incident. You can find such out-of-the-box rules for various security use cases under the Correlation tab of Event Log Analyzer or the SIM module of Log360. Select Manage Rule and click on Search to find the correlation rule for multiple file permission changes. To understand how this rule works, let's make a copy of the rule. The correlation rule for detecting multiple file permission changes alerts you whenever the permissions for a Windows file are modified. However, the criteria for the rule to be triggered is that there should be at least 5 changes made within 3 minutes and the username and the device name should be constant. While this rule will help you detect multiple file permission changes, to get timely alerts, ensure that you enable the alert profile option available beside the rule name. You can find the reports on multiple file permission changes either by using the Search Available Reports option or by using the drop-down menu under File Integrity Threats. Apart from giving you a visual representation of the number of correlated events, Log360 provides details such as when the action occurred, the object name, the process name, and the domain involved. By clicking Event Timeline, you can track the entire sequence of events responsible for the generated alert. Click on Details to learn more about the individual events such as severity, previous value, changes, and event ID. Log360 also comes with SOAR capabilities. This means that if you associate a response workflow with an alert profile, Log360 will be able to carry out certain automated actions such as logging off and disabling the user. This can help you stop an attack before it causes damage. However, to prevent future attacks, here are some steps you can take. Implement MFA, review user privileges, and grant access based on the principle of least privilege. Identify gaps or weaknesses by reviewing and updating your audit and security policies. And lastly, educate users on proper file permission best practices and the potential impact of unauthorized changes. If you have any questions or would like to get a personalized demo, please send an email to log360-support@manageengine.com. Thank you for watching this video. If you wish to see Log360 in action, visit this link and download our product. You can also get a free 30-day trial of Log360 and evaluate how it satisfies your requirements.